We all love visiting our favorite cities, right? Paris, New York, Rome, London. But imagine this. Instead of just another standard hotel room, you've unlocked a secret. You found a hidden gem, a boutique hotel tucked away in an exclusive, vibrant neighborhood, offering not just luxury and privacy, but a truly authentic local experience that feels miles away from the tourist traps. Sounds like the ultimate urban escape, doesn't it? Well, today I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm going to share my absolute best insider tips on how to find the most incredible secret hotels in your favorite cities. These aren't just places with good reviews, these are the true treasures, the ones that most people don't even know exist, reserved for those in the know. If you're ready to transform your next city break into something truly unforgettable, something that feels uniquely yours, let's dive into the secrets of booking your next hidden gem stay. Welcome back to Plan My Trip, your ultimate guide to discovering unique travel experiences and unlocking those elusive hidden gems. If you love exploring the world off the beaten path, and you're ready to upgrade your city stays from meh to magnificent, then do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss our next deep dive into making your travels extraordinary. Now let's get started on finding those secret hotels. 1. Research off-the-grid hotels, beyond the booking giants. Alright, let's kick things off with the fundamental shift in your search strategy. You need to research off-the-grid hotels. I mean, going beyond the usual suspects. Booking.com, Expedia, Hotels.com. Our hidden gems tend to get overlooked because they don't have massive marketing budgets. So where do you start? Think local travel blogs, forums dedicated to specific cities, or niche websites that specifically curate boutique or independent hotels. I personally swear by sites like Mr. and Mrs. Smith, Design Hotels, or Tablet Hotels. They meticulously handpick properties that ooze character, focusing on design, unique experiences, and personalized service, often not widely advertised elsewhere. Another pro tip, don't dismiss platforms like Airbnb or Plum Guide for boutique listings. You might find luxurious private apartments or even converted townhouses that offer hotel-level amenities, but with a much more authentic, homely, and often exclusive feel. It's about seeking out the unique, not just the available. Speaking of local, my next tip is about leveraging the most underrated travel resource of all, the people who actually live in the city. 2. Leverage word of mouth and local recommendations. The insider track. This might sound old-fashioned, but one of the absolute best ways to find truly secret hotels is through local recommendations. Locals know their city inside out. They know the quiet corners, the best-kept secrets, and the places that don't need to advertise heavily because they're just that good. So how do you tap into this invaluable knowledge? Don't be afraid to ask. While you're in town, strike up conversations. Talk to a friendly barista, a shop owner, or even a local tour guide. You'd be surprised how eager people are to share their city's best-kept secrets. I've even had success asking the concierge at a well-known hotel for recommendations for a more local, unique experience. These conversations can lead you down charming side streets, to neighborhoods off the typical tourist trail, and directly to those hidden hotels that the average traveler will simply never discover. And that leads perfectly into my next point. The location of these secret hotels often isn't where you'd expect. It's all about looking in the right, or rather the less obvious places. 3. Search for boutique hotels in lesser-known neighborhoods, the unsung heroes. A massive trick in finding these hidden gems is to actively search for hotels in neighborhoods that aren't typically known for high-end accommodations, or that are simply a bit off the main tourist drag. In many cities, the coolest, most luxurious, and most authentic hidden hotels are often tucked away in quieter, up-and-coming districts, or historic areas that have recently been revitalized. Let me give you some examples. In New York City, look beyond Midtown Manhattan. Explore the artistic vibes of Williamsburg or Dumbo in Brooklyn, or the vibrant history of the Lower East Side in Greenwich Village. In Paris, venture beyond the 1st or 8th arrondissements and explore areas like the charming, historic Le Marais or the trendy canal-side ambiance of Canal Saint-Martin. Similarly, in London, districts like the edgy, creative Shoreditch, the bohemian Camden, or the chic residential Notting Hill are brimming with fantastic hidden hotels that offer a more local, authentic, and truly memorable feel. It's about trading the predictable for the unforgettable. Now, for those of you who thrive on spontaneity or who just love a good deal, my next tip involves a secret weapon for scoring last-minute exclusive stays. 4. Use the Hotel Tonight app for last-minute finds. the spontaneous score. Sometimes the best hidden hotels don't require months of meticulous planning. In fact, if you're a little bit spontaneous and flexible, you can actually snag incredible deals at boutique or exclusive properties using specific apps. My secret weapon for this is the Hotel Tonight app. While designed for last-minute bookings, often for the same night or the next few nights, Hotel Tonight specializes in curating a selection of really stylish, often unique hotels. Because hotels want to fill their rooms, they'll offer discounted rates on properties that might not have sold out. Properties that often don't even appear on mainstream sites. This is where you can sometimes score a phenomenal deal at a hotel that's usually quite exclusive or hard to book, or simply discover a hidden gem that has unexpected last-minute availability. It's particularly useful if you're open to exploring options on the fly. It's about being nimble and ready to pounce. Beyond modern apps, some of the most captivating secret hotels are actually places that have lived a whole other life. My next tip is about seeking out these truly historic transformations. 5. Look for historic buildings or converted spaces. A stay with a story. Many of the very best secret hotels aren't new builds at all. They are actually repurposed buildings with a rich history and a compelling story. Think former aristocratic palaces, grand old mansions, disused factories, or even historic banks that have been lovingly converted into sleek, modern, yet character-filled hotels. These kinds of places offer a unique charm, architectural beauty, and a sense of place that you simply won't find in a sterile, modern chain hotel. In cities like Barcelona, keep an eye out for hotels that occupy former noble homes in the Gothic Quarter or Example, often featuring original mosaic floors, intricate ceilings, and serene courtyards. In Rome, some of the most charming boutique hotels are nestled within beautifully restored historical buildings, offering an intimate glimpse into the city's past. Whether it's an old library turned into a cozy lounge, a former textile factory converted into a chic, loft-style hotel in Lisbon, or a monastery transformed into a tranquil retreat in Tuscany, these secret spots add a deeply authentic and culturally rich layer to your stay, making your vacation feel truly immersive. You're not just sleeping there, you're living a piece of history. If you're serious about luxury and exclusivity, my next few tips delve into the world of truly private access and curated collections. Finding the best secret hotels is truly all about stepping off the beaten path, thinking outside the conventional booking box, and exploring areas and resources that most travelers simply miss. By using these tips, researching off-the-grid options, asking locals for their insights, exploring charming lesser-known neighborhoods, utilizing last-minute apps, seeking out historic conversions, leveraging curated booking services, considering private homestays, looking into exclusive memberships, carefully reading reviews, and tapping into the visual power of social media, you'll be able to book a stay in one of the most unique, exclusive, and authentically memorable hotels in any city you visit. Which of these secret hotel finding strategies are you most excited to try first? Or maybe you have your own secret way to find amazing hidden hotels. Let us know your tips and thoughts in the comments below. I absolutely love hearing about your travel adventures and discoveries. And hey, if you loved exploring these incredible ways to elevate your city stays, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Plan My Trip for more insider travel tips and hidden gems, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and happy travels from your friends here at Plan My Trip.